Meaning of desolate.
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 Desolate. Desolate refers to a place that is barren, isolated, and bleak, with little or no signs of life or human activity. When a place is desolate, it appears empty and abandoned, often giving a feeling of sadness and hopelessness. The surroundings may be devoid of vegetation, water, or other natural resources. There may be ruins or dilapidated structures that further contribute to the sense of abandonment. Overall, a desolate area feels lifeless and inhospitable, lacking any form of comfort or warmth that humans generally associate with a home or community.